representative from Chinese Culture University for the interesting presentation to us. For all of Indonesian students, if you have any question about the University of Chinese Culture University, please visit and contact the representative directly to our website at www.taiwanedufair.com. We already provide the contact person who will be pleased to answer of your question in that website. Okay, for the next presentation, please welcome Asia University representative. Can you unmute your device?
Yes, I have done that. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Fan Fang Cai, the Director of Center for International Academic Exchange here at International College in Asia University. Okay, so allow me to introduce Asia University for you. Okay, so first, here are a few snapshots of our beautiful campus. Asia University has classic Roman Greek style buildings and garden-like campus. It has won national award for outstanding architecture, along with a few international recognitions. In addition, the Asia University affiliated Asia Museum of Modern Art, designed by the world-renowned architect Dan Wandao. Okay, was elected in a web-based polling as one of the 10 most pretty campuses since in Taiwan. Next, please. Okay. So in terms of Asia University's academic ranking, okay, the Times Higher Education has ranked Asia University as one of the best young universities. And it is the second among all the universities in Taiwan. Okay. And it was also listed ranked as the 6th in the global university in Times Higher Education. And moreover, it was ranked among all the Taiwan universities as the 10th in Shanghai ranking for the university in Taiwan. Next. Okay. So, as international students, of course, they are bound to stay away from home. Universities will be their second home. So to welcome all the foreign students to our campus, all foreign students are guaranteed to live in dormitories, which are new with good study space and recreation equipment. There is a big food court with many food stands and shops for your choices at lunch and dinner times. There are also several 20-hour convenience stores near campus or near campus, which you can depend on when you study hard at night. Okay, and specially catered for international students. We have an international living area, consists of multicultural exhibition rooms, an international student kitchen, and an open exterior covered space for activities. Okay, so Asia University tried very hard to take care of our students, not only in their living, but also in the health, physical and mental health, so that students can concentrate on their studies on campus. We have a university-affiliated university hospital, which is Asia University Hospital. Okay, and currently we are planning a long-term care institute next to this hospital, which we expect to be a health keeper for the society, as well as a gateway to knowledge for our students. And hence, this university not only offer health services to our students, it also provides diverse internship opportunities for students to enter the healthcare field and the interdisciplinary training. Next. So here are a detailed list of the college and department in Asia University. Okay, so first we have the College of Medical and Health Sciences. Okay, that is the biggest college in our university. The educational goal for this college is to cultivate professionals in medical and healthcare industries. And the second biggest college of our university is College of Information and Electrical Engineering. This college focuses on computer sciences and information technology. And next, we have the College of Management, which focused on the management specialties. And we have the College of Humanity and Social Sciences, and the goal there is to provide the cross-cultural communication skills. And these skills are important not only for lifetime learning, which we think is the most important mission of university education, but also those cross-cultural communication skills are useful for all will enhance students' international mobilities after they graduate from our university. And we have the quite new college and creative College of Creative Design, which focused on digital media, visual communication, fashion, and design. Okay. And lastly, we have the college, very specialized college on nursing to train nursing professionals. Next. And here in Asia University, we have 30 international programs. They are termed international programs because they are fully English taught. Okay, so the 6 colleges that were outlined in the previous slide, 5 out of 6 have these programs were available in 5 out of those 6 colleges. Okay, and they are offered not only at graduate level, but also at undergraduate levels. And some of the programs here are actually designed at the faculty as a college level. In other words, it's across different departments. Okay, so these are the opportunities provide students a richer training across all different departments. Next. Okay, so these are what the above are what we have in terms of educations. So what is it like to to live or to learn in Asia University? So here I give you a few glimpses about what teaching and learning is like in Asia University. Next, please. Okay, so as a comprehensive university, Asia University also centers not only providing those professional trainings as courses, we also center on creating an aesthetic campus and the cultural atmosphere here. So in terms of cultural atmosphere here, we have the Chinese Language Center, which bridge the language barrier that apparently is present for quite some international students and meets the needs so that they could master Chinese to some proficiency to meet the academic studies if they are taking courses that are not English taught. Okay, and in addition to teaching languages inside classroom, we also organized cultural tours or field trips for students to provide them some up close and personal encounters with Chinese culture. In terms of the aesthetic education, as mentioned earlier, okay, that we have the museum. Okay, and this museum turns out to be a venue for the world-class exhibitions, and the students can frequent this museum to appreciate the art. But not only that, this museum at the same time also and interacting platforms for artists from local and abroad. Okay, and it becoming a leading role in the culture and creativity industry in Taiwan, and also a very rich inspirations for students and the scholars here. Next. And we encourage students to submit their works to international design competitions and invention fairs. For instance, our students have won over 100 Red Dot Awards and another 300 plus awards, medals, prizes in various international award competitions and contests. Okay, next. And we also focuses on the AI, artificial intelligence experiences on campus. Okay, so for the AI experiences side, we have the AI experience room. Okay, and the AI experience room currently has 6 demo applications such as AI briefing, AI smart home, smart robots, smart transportation, smart manufacturing, and the smart factories. Visitors or students, okay, entering this AI experiencing room can interact with these smart devices to get the experience, to get experiences with these smart devices. Okay, and we also have the AI hands-on room. This AI hands-on room is equipped with smart light control, video conferencing, and smart touch screen facilities, and so on and so forth. And this AI hands-on room can also be used for multifunctional discourse or for cyberspace competitions, such as gaming competitions. Okay, and for those who are more savvy, not only wanting the AI experiences, but wanting to mastering AI knowledge, we do have the AI education. Okay, so we have the artificial intelligence college that was established just 4 years ago. The goal of this AI college is to promote smart campus and artificial intelligence education in Asia University. Hence, if you are interested in AI, you should come here. Next. Okay. So we also try to prepare our students to encourage our students to have the international outlook. Okay, so we have the internship requirement for undergraduate for the summer, or it could be 1 summer or 1 semester or 1 academic with credits earned. So in other words, they could earn their academic credits overseas by doing some internship. And we encourage students to engage in services in both locally and globally as volunteers. And they could serve their services in different countries. And we also educate for global talents. Okay, for this we have pushed on run this 318 project for a few years. And the 318 project in Asia University is to educate our students. Okay, so 3 refers to at least students should master at least 3 languages. That's what 3 stands for: Mandarin Chinese, English, and the third one could be a programming language or a second foreign language. And the one is we encourage students should go overseas for internship or for volunteer work, okay, for at least once in their 4-year study here in Asia University, and to help them this to go overseas for internship or for course credit or exchange program. We have designed 8 different tracks or pathways for them to go abroad. So this is our 318 project to enhance students' global and international mobilities. Next. Okay. So having said, how it is like to live here, our campus, how it is like to have how to receive educations, taking or learning in our campus. What about research? Okay, we do encourage staff or investigators from different departments, from different colleges to work together. And hence, we have a few different interdisciplinary research centers. And so I will spend just quickly a few minutes to give you an idea about what these interdisciplinary research centers are. Okay, so next. Okay, so we have the Center of Precision. Okay, so this center does a few different analysis and use this analysis or research on this analysis to develop or to offer, I should say, to offer insight for the precision medicine, which is a very hot topic nowadays. Okay, and also offer their data or conclusions from their analysis for data architectures and data analysis. And hence, this center is also related to the next center that I'm going to talk about, which is next. Which is Big Data Research Center. Okay, so this Big Data Research Center analyzed various kinds of data, okay, such as DNA sequencing data or foundational health database. As I said earlier, okay, this the findings from this kind of big data research could provide insight for precision medicine. But in addition to that, this center also have analyzed big data from transportation, from healthcare system, and also from tourism. And we could also render our insights from this big data analysis to the relevant authorities. And this center cooperates with NIH in the States, Stanford University in the States, and the China Medical University, which you just heard maybe 20 minutes earlier. Okay, next. Okay, and remember the AI college that I just mentioned. We also have this artificial intelligence research center. Okay. This center cooperates with University Kyoto and the University of Edinburgh and Stanford University. So not only with different universities, but from different continents as well. So the goal of this AI research center is to develop artificial intelligence for different industries as well as different sectors such as medicine, education, and supply chain, blockchain, and so on and so forth. Okay, and this center, okay, this center has a project called International AI and Blockchain Consortium for Advancing Healthcare. This project has granted 69 million NT dollars by Ministry of Science and Technology a few years back. Okay, now talking about the project that they had done, the International AI and Blockchain. So the next center is Center for FinTech and Blockchain. Okay, and this center cooperated with world famous companies like Fusion 390 and IBM. Okay, so this center is transdisciplinary. In other words, it combines computer sciences, technology with financial domain knowledge. The main research area include fintech, blockchain, big data, financial transactions, and the fintech ecosystem. Okay, and it also granted by Ministry of Health and Welfare in Taiwan for about $90 million for clinical trial platforms a couple of years back. So next, we have the Research Center for 3D printing. And this center cooperated with Georgia Tech and the China Medical University and got grant again. And with the grant, they were able to print and look into printing different modes or different devices, and have put these devices into good use in medical practices, such as the medical modes and the artificial organs and regenerative medicines, so on and so forth. Okay, so this center is quite impactful. Okay, next. This center is interesting, I think. We have the research center for edible and medicinal mushrooms. Okay, and this center not only look into mushrooms, but also other grains as well. Okay, so the new rice species has increased a lot and reduced the growth period by a certain number of days. So that's a good news. That means you can, grow more within a shorter period of time. Okay, and their fungus fostering project brings over $10 million revenue to the industry. Okay, and it has got, again, big grant. Okay, and with this big grant, not only they could do research, they are also able to train students. And so over 80 students have been trained in this center, and they have acquired 10 patents and got 10 companies on board for cooperations. More importantly, they actually are able to transfer the technology that they invented in this research center to 3 companies, which in turn generate over 1 million royalties for the university. So this is the research center for edible and the medicinal mushrooms. Next, we have the food. We have another food. We have the Center for Food Safety. This center runs a whole bunch of different tests. Okay, and has got satisfactory evaluations from the authorities. Okay, next. Okay, we have the Institute of Innovation and Circular Economy. So for this one, with this center, the university social responsibility is no longer a slogan only. Okay, so this center actually take this mission in mind and put into actions, and it cooperated with the University of Nottingham and the University of Michigan, and it does aim to reduce our environmental impacts and carbon prints to the environment. Okay, so we are hoping this center could have the real social impacts on people. And the next. So so far I have already mentioned, what it is like to live, to learn, and then to do research in Asia University. Okay, so what we could offer for international students. But how about, specifically for Indonesia students? Okay, next. Okay, so we know, you should know, have already known that Indonesia Taiwan Education Center in Surabaya, okay, is an information center all about study in Taiwan. And this center was established by Ministry of Education Taiwan over 10 years. This center has been operated by Asia University and the China Medical University. And next is, okay. So we have the Erlangga University established the Center for Indonesia Studies right here in Asia University. And we also, next please, we also have the honor lad. The chairman is, next. We have the chairman of the Muhammadiyah Central Board, Dr. Nasir, inaugurated the second special branch offices on our campus as well. Next. Okay, and this center is important because it gave a kickstart to the collaborations between the 2 universities as well as the 2 countries. Okay, next. We here in Asia University have the Indonesia Annual Cultural Festival. Okay, and this is an important and major event on campus because local students as well as Indonesian students that we have here both enjoy this event greatly. Okay, now application and scholarships, of course, every single university that you hear today say they do have scholarships. We do too. We have different types of scholarships for different levels of studies, undergraduate and graduate. Okay, you could find more information about this on our website. So it's depending on the levels and depending on the studies, you could get tuition waivers and even allowance. And next, as for application processes and the documents that you need to prepare, the QR code here will lead you directly to the application portal. Here you can browse more information. However, one thing I do want to remind you today is next, application times. For the fall intake, which had already happened, usually is around late January to the end of March. And for the spring intake, the application time is mid-July and to mid-November. In other words, now. Okay, so next. Okay, so here is my introduction of Asia University to you today, and I hope I will be seeing you guys at Asia University in a few months.